Right. Okay. So you're gonna be making a pumpkin pie blizzard?
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice. You want to be telling me how you make it?
Well, I'm going to start off with our famous BQ soft serve.
Oh, very nice.
I'm going to go with the curl on top.
Okay.
We'll start with our collar.
And those
Pie
little.
chips in.
Want to show me how the cookies look? Oh, very nice. So that's how it works, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Very
We
nice.
have our pumpkin pie parade.
Oh, okay.
Alrighty, now is where the magic happens.
Yeah.
Make that perfectly blended blizzard
Okay.
with the collar.
Very nice.
Alrighty.
Okay.
Whip top in. And I don't think we have nutmeg left.
Oh, no nutmeg?
No nutmeg.
Oh, really?
No. Oh, here it is.
Okay.
Put a nutmeg.
Oh, very nice. I'll come around to pay for it. Oh, jeez.
Oh, that's okay. It's on the house.
Oh, wow. Okay. Hold on 1 second. Yeah. And let's do a close up. Oh, very nice. Oh, that's awesome.